Creme Brulee is already a classic, but I've got one ingredient in here that makes it completely irresistible. The ingredients are 7 eggs. We will only be needing the yolks, followed by 70 grams of sugar and 500 milligrams of whipping cream. Lastly, my secret ingredients, 100 milligrams of coffee liqueur. Before I start, I like to set up the ramekins and fill the tray with water halfway up the sides. Before heating, I pass the cream through a sieve to remove any little bits of coagulated fat. Then gently heat the cream until it simmers. While that heats up, prepare the sugar and add in 7 egg yolks. 7 egg yolks might seem like a lot, but with the coffee liqueur added, 7 yolks gives the custard enough body to stay silky. Once all the yolks are in, whisk until the sugar dissolves. At this point, the cream should be simmering and is ready to be removed from the stove. Immediately add in the coffee liqueur and the temperature will instantly drop by around 30 degrees Celsius. Whisk the mixture together, then use a blowtorch to remove any bubbles from the surface. Pass the mixture through a sieve before gradually adding it into the egg yolks. This step is all about tempering the yolks, which means raising their temperature slowly while whisking so they don't scramble when the hot cream is added. Once again, after mixing, blow out the bubbles with the blowtorch. Pass the mixture through a sieve one more time to catch any bits of egg, then pour into the ramekins. When you pour the mixture into the ramekins, you may notice that the first 2 or 3 develop a very thin layer of foam on the surface. You can remove this by simply scooping it out, or for a more effective method, simply torch it first so it shrinks and firms up slightly before removing it. The next step is to cover the creme brulees with aluminum foil, making sure it isn't too tight and that there's a decent gap between the foil and the surface. In my case, I'm using an aluminum tray as a cover because I ran out of aluminum foil. Then it goes into the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Once it's done, take it out and let the custard rest at room temperature before transferring it to the fridge for 12 hours. Once it's rested, add a little over 1 teaspoon of sugar to the surface and spread it evenly. You still want to be able to see a bit of the custard color underneath. Now I'm slowly torching the sugar until it melts and forms a thin, even caramel layer. Keep the torch moving so it caramelizes everything evenly without burning. Once the caramel hardens, it is ready to eat. The addictive flavor of the coffee liqueur is exactly what makes this creme brulee utterly irresistible.